In this video tutorial, you will learn how to freehand a simple tattoo. Before we begin, you will need to learn how to control opacity. For a more translucent effect, use more activator than pigment and lightly dip the brush in the palette. For more opaque effects, use less activator. Start by cleaning the skin with EBA activator. Step 2. Activate the makeup using the activator. Step 3. Start freehanding a light outline of the design of your choice using the detailed brush. Proceed with more opacity to fill in the color. Add more activator as needed. Avoid wetting the brush too much to avoid lifting the previous layers. Unless blending colors on the skin, allow colors to dry between layers. You have now completed a simple tattoo. For removal instructions, warnings, and product storage, please refer to product packaging or the EBA website.